Hey guys, welcome to day 6 of ethical hacking. In the last video, we have seen about social media reconnaissance and we're learning about different tools that are being used in reconnaissance process. Alright, today it is one of the most important, that is website technologies. Alright, when we see any of the websites or any application, we have to look for the technologies that are being used in that particular website or an application. Alright, so it is one of the most important aspect. So for that we have different tools that we use to find out the maximum information. Alright, so we'll see one by one how we can find different technologies that are being used. So first one is Wappalyzer and WhatWeb. Alright, let's see one by one. So I'll just go to here. Wappalyzer is an extension. Alright, how you can go is you can just go to extension and visit Chrome store. Alright, here you can just search for Wappalyzer. Alright, you can just click on here, and here already I have added, so I can't add it anymore. You can just remove or add anytime you want. Alright, so likewise, let's see how to analyze. So first of all, I'm in Google and let me search for spotify.com. Alright, so in here it have searched that a lot of technologies are being used. Let's see: analytics, Google Analytics, advertising, Twitter, Snap, JavaScript frameworks, React Router, Tag Manager, Google Tag Manager. So all these technologies are being used in this particular website, that is Spotify. Alright, let's see for Flipkart. So what you have to do is you just have to click on the website and you have to click on Wappalyzer, and then it will give you all the details. It is one of my favorite tool. Alright, reverse, RAM, performance, web servers, all are given. Alright, here React is being used. So you can search for, let's say, Microsoft.com. Go to, it will take some time depending on the website. So here you can see HSTS, Azure. Alright, likewise you can search for all the different tools that are being, or the technologies that are being used in this particular website. Very useful. Alright, so next let's see for WhatWeb. WhatWeb is a command line tool again that is already there in the Linux. WhatWeb is already there. You can just search for WhatWeb and then check all the commands that you can use, or directly you can just type WhatWeb, let's say google.com. Let's check for what are the technologies Google is using. So it may take some time. So you can see what are the details that are being used. So it is giving the information about servers, where it is located, IP address. So let's try for something else. Let's say spotify.com. So it is not again guaranteed that you will always get the information that you want. You have to try for different applications and tools, and you have to collect the information that you need. Alright, so likewise you can see here different informations are given, and you need to be able to identify what is useful for you. Alright, so this is another tool, WhatWeb, that you can use in order to find the technologies. Last one you can see Build With. So it is a web-based tool that you can search different technologies. Let's search here, let's say spotify.com. So you can see a lot of details are given, but you have to search little bit. So analytics and tracking, what are the tools they are using. So you can search it. Alright, here directly they have not given, you have to search it one by one. Alright, So these are the three tools that are being used for finding different technologies. All right, I hope you have understood. So next is, what are subdomains? All right, so let's first read it. What are subdomains? Subdomains are separate web address that functions as distinct section of a main website, allowing for organizing and specialization, such as shop.example.com for an online store or blog.example.com for a company blog. All right, let me take an example. Let's say Google is a big company, right? So how they are dividing groups, let's say domains, subdomains. Let's say for mail they have Gmail, for searching they have Google search. All right, so they are dividing it into subparts, that is subdomains. All right, let me take another example. Let's say one office is there, Google, and in different floors they have kept different specialization or domain. Let's say in one floor they have kept marketing, in one floor they have kept accounting, in one floor they have kept managers. So like that they are dividing it into subparts so that it is easier for you to go into different subdomains for your own use. All right, so what are the tools? Let us see. So there are two tools, basically many more tools, but here I'm just showing you two tools. All right, so one is Subfinder. So this is again command line. So you can just go here and you can find a tool called Subfinder. Yeah, Subfinder is there. So let me just type Subfinder and then you will see this. So in order to search, you have to type Subfinder -d spotify.com, let's say, and we can find different subdomains that are available in spotify.com. Let me wait for some more time. It takes some time. So meanwhile, let me show you a web-based subdomain finder. So Subdomain Finder, it is a web-based tool that you can use. So here let me search for google.com and it starts scanning, and you can see a lot of subdomains that are there for google.com. Let me search for microsoft.com. So for Microsoft you can see different subdomains. Let me search last one, spotify.com. So it is showing me so I hope you have got it. This is how you can search different subdomains for different technologies, for different websites. So here you can see it takes some time, but it is showing me all the different subdomains. So you can see here for Microsoft it is 7,872. It is a big company, right? So there are a lot of subdomains that are being used. So tools are, Subfinder is a command line tool and Subdomain Finder is a web-based tool. All right, I hope you have understood about subdomains. Next, that is firewalls. So a firewall is a security system, either hardware, software, or both, that monitors and control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predefined security rules. So in simple words, let's say there's a house and they have kept one security person in order to check who comes in, who goes out, at what time they are going. So basically they are recording all the information. All right. Likewise, in the internet, there is something called firewall that checks the incoming and outgoing traffics that are happening in that particular website or IP address. All right, that is nothing but firewall. So there's a tool, again a command line tool, that is known as WebWoof. All right, so it is a very simple command is there, that is webwooftarget.com. all right, let me search here WebWoof. all right, so here WebWoof is not, it is not O, it is 0. okay, but you read it as WebWoof. So WebWoof, it is 00F. all right, so let me search for Microsoft.com and let me search. Okay, So here you can see Azure front door is being used as a firewall. Okay, so here let me again search for Spotify.com. So in Spotify, Envoy proxy is being used. All right, let's see for last one for Google. So okay, no detection. So it is again not guaranteed that you will always get, but sometimes you will get, sometimes you won't get. So that is the reason you have to use different separate tools that are available in the market, or you have to download it from the GitHub. So in the next video I'll show you how to download different tools from GitHub. So I hope you have liked this video, and make sure you practice it, and do not forget to share with your friends who would like to learn ethical hacking. That's it. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.